Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to copy a post link on X, formerly known as Twitter. This quick and easy process allows you to share interesting posts with your friends or save them for later. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. First, open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in to access all the features. Step 2. Next, navigate to the desired post you want to copy the link for. You can find it by scrolling through your timeline or using the search function. Step 3. Once you've located the post, look for the share icon at the bottom right corner. This icon usually resembles an arrow pointing upward. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. In the sharing menu that appears, tap the copy link icon. This action will instantly copy the post's URL to your clipboard. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a post link on X. Now you can share this link via messages, other social media platforms, or keep it saved for future reference. It's a simple way to ensure you can easily share content that you find interesting or important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.